My name is John Gardner. I'm a physician at interventional pain specialist. I'm from Kentucky, lived there pretty much all my life. I grew up in Lexington, Kentucky. I went to University of Kentucky for my undergraduate degree, and then I went to University of Louisville for medical school. And following that, I did my residency in anesthesiology at the University of Cincinnati, and I also did my pain management fellowship at the University of Cincinnati. Let's see, I was drawn to interventional pain mainly because of the chance to do a lot of procedures to try and help patients feel better and manage their chronic pain more effectively. One of the most rewarding things is when we do a procedure for a patient and they come back and they tell me how much pain relief they've gotten and how it's improved their life and their day-to-day activities. When people tell me that they're able to pick up their grandkids without having back pain, or they're able to go for a walk with their spouse or go to work without having as much pain as they used to, that's a pretty rewarding feeling. So during the first appointment, that's the chance for me to get to know the patient. I will spend some time before I actually come into the room reading over the patient's chart, reviewing their history, looking at MRIs, looking at x-rays, looking at notes from the provider that referred them to me. So I know what's going on in a general sense, at least, before I see them. And so then when I come in and we get a chance to say hello and meet each other, usually what I like to do is kind of summarize what I know about, why they're here to see me. So we can then talk about a plan in terms of, what procedure, what medication, or what other treatment plan is appropriate. Probably one of the more interesting things about me is that I'm a pretty avid comic book collector. I've been collecting comic books since I was about 5 years old. I recently undertook the task of evaluating or valuing my collection, and that was a lot of fun. But we're talking about a 35-year-old comic book collection, so it's been pretty expansive. My parents were pretty eager for me to get that out of their house and into my own house.